Well, Grandma will know better to put them out again next year.
Where'd you put your wrapping paper?
She hid it over here.
Show me.
Man, I hope Santa leaves something here tonight.
Oh, that's a good hiding spot.
You're getting cold, all of you.
Huh?
You're getting cold, all of you.
All of you's getting cold. He's what? He's gonna leave you cold? Probably.
She said,
Because you know you weren't supposed to open those up.
don't swing that around.
I'll call Santa and tell him to put you on the naughty list.
You're on the naughty list.
Your boobs stink.
Lily and Grace.
What'd she do? I missed that. Your boobs stink. My boobs stink.
Lily, that's not nice.
Oh yeah, she thought we was gonna be so happy. She's over.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Lily, and tell 'em Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
How old are you?
And she hid the boots.
7.
You're 5.
This time I have to be 7.
It's Christmas 2013.
They're out.
No,
Christmas Eve.
no 2004.
And I was like,
That's next year.
is this
In
everything?
2015.
She had the boots over hidden in the wrapping paper.
You blow the world a kiss?
She's like, I don't think these will fit. And Jeff goes,